Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to add Instagram story highlights on your Instagram. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's start. Before anything else, please make sure that you had stories from the past for you to use as your Instagram story highlights. Let's say that I have currently a story going or is active. And from there, we're going to go to the top right of our screen, and as you can see here, there is a plus sign. After pressing the plus sign, it means create. And after pressing the plus sign, you can see multiple options here that you will use, or you can possibly use whatever you like. However, what we will teach you here is how to add Instagram story highlights. So from here, we're going to press story highlights, and after pressing story highlights, you will see all your past stories. Let's say that we will use this past story of mine here. And after that, we're going to press next. After pressing next, we have the options to name that highlight, archive, or to change your cover. For example, we're just going to use a period for our highlight. And from there, we're going to press add on the top right of the screen. And after that, you'll see that your Instagram story highlight is now in your profile. When you press it, you can see your Instagram story highlight. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.